Good afternoon, guys. It's O'Neill Anderson here from GlobalFX. I just want to share this trade that we have, or rather this USDCAD setup. I did send the signal on the Signals network, as well as the technical setup of how I actually came to this analysis. So this is the video version. I have actually recorded the video on Sunday night, just before the market opened, but then I was having issues with saving the video. So I'll just go through the video very quickly. I don't have much time. First things first, we can see that price has been bullish since I think it was the 6th of March, and you had this correction and we have support. Price went up, created this level of resistance here at the top, and what's significant about that level of resistance is that you also have a double top reversal pattern. Then price came back down, giving us another level of support, and it's a lower, sorry about that, and it's a lower low compared to this previous level of support or the previous low. Then price came back up and gave us a level of resistance there. Price created this low, but it's a higher low, and as well as a level of support. Now we are currently short on this trade here. I have sent the signals, I have sent where your stop losses should be. I have sent your 2 take profits, or rather your 1 take profit, but I have indicated on the chart as to where your first and second take profit is. So that's the first thing we can see on a 4-hourly time frame. Now if you look at these swing highs here, if you just draw in a descending trend line like this, you can see that we have a trend line resistance there, right? And we also have a sort of have price being squeezed here in this triangle, right? So that's the market structure we can see on a 4-hourly time frame. Now if you go down to a lower time frame, I'm looking at a 2-hour time frame now, you'd be able to see that price squeeze much more clear, and you'd have a clear understanding or a clear picture of what price is actually doing at, or what price is telling you at these levels of support and resistance. So we can draw in a trend line like this. This is how I actually had my analysis done. So we have a trend line like that. We have another descending trend line like this, indicating this price squeeze, or rather the continuation patterns. It is a triangle, and we had price actually break through. We had like a small retest, and we had continuation, and we had actually entered short on the USDCAD at the retest here. So I basically sent the signal based off of this like retest and these long wicks to the upside, as well as we had a bearish engulfing candlestick formation. So I am looking for further continuation to the downside. Right now, price, when I sent the analysis, price was around this price point here, approximately 1.42, or maybe just a little bit lower. Now this does not mean that price could have not actually broken through, retest, and made a further continuation to the upside, but we had, or rather I did actually know where I'm going to enter, and that was strictly based off this level of support here. Just draw it in much more clear. As you guys can see, we have this area of support here, and you have a level of resistance here, right? You could have entered at the level of resistance here, or this area of resistance, but just so solely based off this bearish engulfing here, as well as this small or minor trend line resistance. But we are currently short on this pair, and I will actually keep you guys updated as to when when the market conditions change, and I'll let you guys know when to actually close your trade. And what we can also see here is that you have your Elliott wave count, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5. Now wave 3, always remember that your third wave should not be the shortest of your impulsive wave. Or you could have your wave count as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5, and then you had this triangle here. So we're looking for further continuation to the downside.